Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing interview. Today I'm checking out the KOSPET Tank M4 Smartwatch. It's a military grade. Also, we have sold separately, but goes with this, the power pocket for the Tank M4, and then a premium Archland leather wrist strap. So let's check this out here. Very nice packaging. In this little box, we have a little charger. So that has a USB-C port. We just plug that in, set our watch on there and charge it up. And little charger cable comes with some instructions and stuff like that in there. Very sweet. All right, check out the box here. This watch, oh wow, super heavy duty. Take that off of there. This very supple, the band like that seems really nice. 4 buttons. We have the kind of rectangular with rounded edges watch face. Perfect size for the wrist there. Pretty sweet. I like this wristband. Nice rubber one. Ugh. Don't worry, these are drop tested, and we're going to be testing this out. Has a crazy like IPX rating on here. Gorilla Glass like 3.0. Let's check out this little charger here. Okay, so these, unlike this one that it comes with, this one is additional one sold separately that basically it's a wireless little charger, so you can charge this up. You keep it in your pocket. If you need to charge your, thing, just throw it on there. Starts charging up there. Haven't set this thing up yet, so it has a little battery light indicator on there as well. Comes with a little lanyard and charging cable as well. That's pretty sweet. So this is setting up. We got setup language. We're gonna go English. All right, let's check out this watch band here. Oh, wow. That is really nice. So if you want to upgrade to like a premium leather, nice stitching on there, that just looks really kind of like this rubber one is more like kind of a outdoorsy type, outdoor, like rugged type one, and this one is maybe like if you want to be more upscale, like more fancy restaurant, wear your watch to, maybe you're like a lawyer or something like that. I don't know, or you just like the leather one. Very nice anyway, so cool. Okay, this one is setting up here. Let's see, select, we want English language. Got to scan the QR code. So let's get this set up. We're going to drop test it. We're going to check out the app. We're going to check out the interface and all this, the scratch resistance. First impressions, seems like super heavy duty, nice well built look. We got quick release watch bands here with that little thing. You just push it over and that slides out. Stainless steel, IP69K rating, which is basically pressurized water, dust proof, and like pressure resist like high pressure streams of water. So all right, the Tank M4 water test here. Drop it in a bucket of water. Should be no problem. This is rated for like well underwater here. Here we have, you can see the screen is still working just fine. Go back, the back button. We have our main screen right there. And swiping up and down. Still works, no problem. All the swipes on there, very cool. Let's check out a pressure water test here. All right, here we go. This rating allows it to sustain water pressurized coming in from the button side, from underneath. As we can see, no problem here. Flip it over. Try to get it in the buttons there, in the sides. still works just fine. Like the display here. See the weather, all that stuff is really good. Okay. Right, here's a Tank M4 drop test. Still updating. Dropping on a concrete floor, face down there. Screen intact. Looks good, still burly. All right, let's do the scratch test on here. If you have like a keys or something hitting on there. And this grill has a little screen protector on here. We can see if you take that off, it comes another one in the box there. But this is all it is just this little guy right here. And then we have the Gorilla Glass under here, and we can see that this stuff is incredibly durable. It's not gonna, I usually don't even have a screen protectors with my things. You can see that this Gorilla Glass is pretty much, I guess like silica and stuff like that is still like harder on the scale, but things like keys and junk like that is not gonna even hurt your, I'm trying to get a good thing here so you can see like there's no scratches on this at all, so very tough. Okay guys, here is the KOSPET Tank M4 here. As we can see, a little wireless charging thing sold separately. Charges up, we're at 100%. I like that. Like that's available. You can just throw it on wherever, you don't even need it. Let's check this out. In order to change the, you want to switch out the watch band. It's as simple as that. Check this out. This is so easy to do. And we're done. So if you want to switch out to your other watch band, sold separately, no problem. Look how easy. And like I've struggled with other watch bands before where it was literally taking me like, you just push that little part down, like no joke, like a long time to do. So, oops, I pushed that down prematurely. Okay, there we go. And if you got your fingernail, and there we go. Oh, I admit it looks so easy. There we go, it is easy. But super simple to switch in and out. Right here on the watch face, we have this one. These can be customized and changed. We have all the different workouts, training, workout record, heart rate, blood oxygen, stress, mood. I mean, look how smooth this is. Just scrolling easy, no problem. If I want to play some music, boom, I can put that on. I can play this. Okay, I can just switch over to whatever. Play the music, switch songs if I want to. This is the back button, and we have an up and down button here also. So go back. Oops. Sorry, it's going onto my, it's going to the other watch I have set up. So on Bluetooth, let's go back. We have a calculator, very handy, just a ton of stuff on here, guys. And then the app, even more helpful. If you are into like really like working out or something, check out the flashlight, turn it on, tap the screen, and go back with this. Like I said, this goes up and down too with this, if you want to scroll with that. We have navigation. You can download maps and import them in there through the app. You got the walkie-talkie, so you can start a team up. You can go with other devices like that and communicate through that. Okay, and we have, as we can see, notifications and reminder. We can set the screen to last longer. We have a screen wake time. We can switch that raise to wake, or you want to double tap to wake, or always on during workout. So right now it just goes to sleep, and you can raise it up to wake it up, just like that. So very cool. Sport recognition. This has just like so many features, guys. Just a lot of stuff on here that we can, notification reminder, events. We have our offline map. We can download that easily, route and location. You go to your watch settings, do not disturb, sleep mode. So you can really customize all this stuff on here, guys. Yeah, as we can see, this wakes up. I can change the face on here. Right now we got the battery, last mark. We can go down to the regulars, and I can also customize this if I want different ones here. Yeah, 64 degrees. Go up to here. I would check out all the different settings on this. We can go to the watch face settings, display brightness, sounds and vibration. I mean, guys, this has a ton of features. This is everything you're gonna find on. We can get our customized little work shortcuts here. So if I ever want, I can just swipe up and place these on. I say I want calls on here or whatever, sleep. We can just put those on there, and those are going to be on our little shortcut thing. So there's my sleep right there. I think it only holds like up to like 5 of these. So if you want to get to other ones out of the shortcut, we can put those on. Go down to more, and we still have like the world clock, sun and moon, rising, setting. You can add cities in the watch, the breathing exercises. So this covers it all, whether you're into fitness, you just want to listen to music on your phone, whether you just want to have the from your phone, you want the, just the convenience of having a nice watch with you that's going to be reliable, durable, be able to tell you the time, and a ton of other stuff onto here. This guy is comparable with some of the high-end watches as far as everything that they can do. The app is super useful and friendly to use. Just a ton of different things on here, guys. Whether you're working out, you want to start like a burly workout routine and get motivated, this thing has it all, my friends. Be sure to check out this KOSPET Tank M4. So I have the screen set to go off within like a few seconds, so you can change that also. You can check out your training plans if you want to set those up, your workouts, tons of different things. If you guys are super into like outdoor things, you can track all your activity with this. Your workout records, it's going to show that on there. It's going to show you need to keep an eye on your heart rate. I think you can set up even monitors on here, so it'll tell you when it if you have your heart rate goes up to a certain level and you want it to give you a little notification or whatever, stress. And you got the mood measurements here as far as the blood oxygen level and things like that. Where the watch, obviously I'm just holding it right now. Very cool. Just a ton of things on here, guys. When you're sleeping, it's going to keep track of your sleep. Your notifications obviously can pop up on here. We can see what the weather is, low, air quality good. What's it going to be for the forecast? So looks like it's going to be raining. Your calendar, your music. Very cool. Calculator, the compass. Rotate the watch as shown to calibrate. I think it goes like this. I did it on the other watch. I'm not sure exactly what it means. Oh, I guess I did it. So, okay. But check that out. Now we can go wherever we want. It's going to show that. So I guess I did it right. So we got the compass on there, barometric, altitude, the pressure, altitude, where we're at, use the GPS. I mean, guys, it can find your phone. You can tell where your watch is. There's just a ton of different features on here. The app has a lot of stuff on here as well. It's just super helpful, very useful, connects easily to Bluetooth right away, very strong, durable watch here, guys. Very handy. Yeah, just a lot of nice features, and with just a few $100s, a couple $100, it's not a bad price at all. If you guys want to check it out, I'm going to link it in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.